Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to perform update with a join condition. So in the last video, we learned about updating single column as well as updating multiple columns. Right? Now we will look at updating the table and using the join while updating the table. So the join here we are using because we want to formulate the where condition based on the join candidate. We will see that in more detail here in this video. Here, if you see, our goal is to update the emp table, update emp, set emp dot salary. Emp means here in the join candidate we can see test.employee, alias name is emp. So emp dot salary means employee dot salary, so that's the column we want to update, equal to employee dot salary plus employee dot salary into employee dot experience divided by 100. So here we are just incrementing the salary, if you see. So the column we are updating is salary, and that is coming from the employee table, and the update takes place based on an expression. So the expression is percentage is calculated in terms of salary by experience. So salary into experience actually divided by 100. So this gives the percentage. When experience is more, the people will get more percentage of bonus, we can say. So employee dot salary plus this incentive or bonus, whatever you call, the salary will get updated. Alright, so from employee table we are updating the salary. From test.department, here we are bringing the department into picture as dept, inner join test.employee as emp. So here if you see, our goal is to update the employee table, but we are performing the join to department table. So here from test.department as dpt, inner join test.employee as emp, on the join is based on department id on department table, dept is department, then emp is employee dot department id. So that's how we are joining. Then in the where condition, if you see, department name equal to sales. Right, to make this condition we are performing the join. So it will be easy to use employee table itself, where emp dot dept id equal to a specific id. But here, instead of using the id, we want to tell the department name and want to perform update, but department name doesn't exist on employee table, so we perform a join and specify the where condition. Department name should be sales and update salary for all the employee. So what happens in the employee table, if there are multiple employees, the employee who belongs to sales department, only these records will be picked and get updated, or the salary will get revised. So that's all here. Now we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio and proceed with the demo. So before employing the update statement. Here what we are doing, we are just performing the inner join. Select department name, employee.full name, employee.salary, employee.bonus. Only name we are picking it from the department table, then all these stuffs are from employee table. Full name, salary and bonus. So here we are just performing the inner join from test.department as department, inner join test.employee as emp, then this is the join condition. Then here we are using the where condition, where department name equal to sales. So here if you see, we are not performing the update, but we are just making a select statement to make sure what are all the column that will get updated. Here we are going to update the salary, right? So there are 7 records, and these are all the employees whose salary will get revised. So remember, so this employee table contains a calculated field bonus. If you see, by looking at the icon, you can state that this is a calculated field. All other are normal field. This one is the key field. This is the foreign key field. So this key icon, right? So this black color key icon states that it's the primary key, and this reverse key icon shows this is a foreign key, and then this is a calculated field. So once the salary is revised based on the experience, the bonus is a calculated field, bonus will get increased. All right, so for comparison purpose, we will keep this here. We will open a new query window. Here we will perform the update, and if you see, our update is based on the select statement which we already made here. So update emp set, and here if you see, it is equivalent to this. Right, here we just selected some column. Here instead of select, we are performing the update. So join we already performed, and where condition also we performed, and we know which record will get updated. And now here we are running the update statement. So what we are updating is a single column. It's a single column update, and these are all the expression. So salary and experience both is coming into picture. Here are we selecting experience? No, we will put experience also. emp dot experience. So this experience also involved in the calculation. If you see, Harun Valen, more experience, so he will get highest revised salary compared to other people. All right, now we will perform the update here, and if you see here, I am doing a begin transaction. So when we do a begin transaction, you can recall the update later. So here let me select begin transaction, and I will perform update as well. So it states that 7 row updated. We know that beforehand because we performed the select, and we know that these are all the content that will get updated by this update statement. So we already performed an update. Previously begin transaction was invoked on this specific query window session. Now let's run the same select statement. Only exp is missing. We will add that as well here. So if you compare, you can see all the salary is updated now. Say for example 1680, so it is revised based on it's revised based on salary as well as experience. That's what the calculation is. See, this is the calculation, and you can see the bonus also revised. We are not updating the bonus, but bonus is revised because bonus is a calculated field, right? If you want to see that, let me go to the design, and here is the bonus, and you can see computed column expression. So bonus is calculated based on experience into salary divided by 100. So that's why here when we update the salary, bonus is also get updated. So this is the newer one and this is the older one. 1500, revised salary is 1680, bonus is 180, and the recalculated bonus now is 201. All right, now we will go ahead with a rollback. So since it's a begin transaction, here we called the rollback. That means the data will be revised to the previous stage. So this is the previous stage, right? Now if I select this again, the update is not committed to database, so that we will be seeing the old records. So both are same now because of this rollback. So whatever change applied, that is rolled back using the rollback statement. So when we started the update, the time we called the begin transaction, and here by calling the rollback, we revoked the update which happened sometime before. All right, that's all here. Here we learned the usage of inner join in the update statement actually. So here we want to refer a column in some other table and want to perform update on employee table, right? So that's why we use the join here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.